There's a whisper inside all of us, a call of the wild that never truly fades. It's a quiet longing, sometimes barely noticeable, but always there beneath the surface of our busy lives. No matter how much we surround ourselves with comfort and technology, that ancient voice still echoes, reminding us of a time when we were part of something much bigger and wilder than ourselves. It's the urge to break free from routine, to feel the raw energy of nature and test ourselves against it. We yearn to leave behind the predictable and step into the unknown, where every sense is heightened and every moment feels more real. The forest, the mountains, the rivers, they all call to us, promising adventure and a chance to reconnect with our true selves. I remember standing on a windswept cliff, the sea crashing below, feeling both small and incredibly alive. The wind whipped around me, and for a moment all the noise of daily life faded away. In that space I felt a deep connection to the world, a sense of belonging that's hard to find anywhere else. That's the feeling that draws us to adventure. It's not just about the thrill, it's about finding meaning in the challenge and sharing those moments with others or savoring them alone under a vast sky. We crave challenge, simplicity, and the honest truth of nature. Out here there's no need for pretense, just you, your instincts, and the world as it is. Every task, from pitching a tent to lighting a fire, becomes a reminder of what we're capable of when we strip life down to its essentials. It's not just about escaping the city. It's about discovering a tougher, more resilient version of ourselves. The wild doesn't care about your job title or your daily worries. It asks only that you show up, pay attention, and adapt. In return, it offers clarity and a sense of accomplishment that's hard to find elsewhere. Deep down, our DNA remembers when survival was a daily test. The skills we use outdoors, building, navigating, enduring, awaken something ancient within us. It's a reminder that we're stronger and more resourceful than we often believe. We want to know if we still have what it takes. Can we meet the challenges nature throws our way? Can we adapt, overcome, and thrive when things get tough? These questions drive us forward, pushing us to grow. The wild offers real challenges, not manufactured ones. Every step, every climb, every decision matters. Out here, success and failure are honest, and the lessons you learn are unforgettable. It's an invitation to step out of the passenger seat and grab the wheel, to take control of your own story, to write new chapters with every adventure, and to discover what you're truly made of. This pull is a journey of self-discovery, finding out who you are when everything else is stripped away. In the quiet moments, by a still lake or a crackling fire, you meet yourself in ways you never could back home. When you feel that nudge, that quiet what if, don't ignore it. Let it guide you out of your comfort zone and into the unknown, where growth and transformation await. That's the adventurer in you waking up. It's the part of you that's hungry for experience, for challenge, for wonder. The wild calls you home, asking you to remember your inner strength. It reminds you that you belong to the world, and the world belongs to you. Answering that call is the first step on a journey that can change your life. Out there in the wild you'll find not just adventure but a deeper sense of who you are and who you can become. So, what is a wilderness workshop? It's not a movie-style survival ordeal. It's a safe, structured outdoor classroom where the forest is your textbook. You learn practical, life-saving skills from seasoned experts. Think of it as an apprenticeship with nature. Step by step you build confidence. These trips are for everyone, from total beginners to seasoned hikers. The goal isn't to terrify you but to empower you. You'll be part of a team, learning together and supporting each other. The landscape itself becomes your teacher, turning obstacles into resources. Every lesson is hands-on, cementing knowledge in your mind and muscles. You leave with skills, confidence, and a new perspective on the world. Survival begins with understanding the rule of threes, a simple but powerful guideline that can save your life. You can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in harsh conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. These numbers aren't just trivia, they help you prioritize what matters most when every second counts. Your first priority is shelter. Exposure to wind, rain, or cold can be deadly, so you'll learn to build protection using whatever nature provides, branches, leaves, or even caves. A well-built shelter keeps you warm, dry, and safe, giving you the strength to tackle other challenges. Next comes fire. Fire is more than just heat, it's a source of light, a way to purify water, cook food, and a huge morale boost when you're alone in the wild. The crackle of flames can turn a cold night into a place of comfort. You'll master both modern and ancient fire-starting techniques, from using a ferro rod to the bow drill, and even learn how to coax a flame from damp wood after rain. Firemaking is a skill that connects you to our earliest ancestors. Water is absolutely essential, but only if it's safe to drink. Contaminated water can be more dangerous than thirst itself. You'll discover how to find water in unexpected places, collecting dew from leaves at dawn, catching rainwater, or seeking out hidden streams. Knowing where and how to look can mean the difference between dehydration and survival. Purifying water is just as important as finding it. You'll learn to boil, filter, and use natural methods to make water safe, ensuring you stay healthy and strong. Once you have shelter, fire, and water, it's time to focus on food and navigation. You'll identify edible plants, set basic traps, and fish with improvised tools, skills that keep you nourished and energized. Navigation is your key to freedom. You'll learn to use a map and compass and to read the sun, stars, and the landscape itself, so you never feel lost no matter how deep the wilderness. With these skills, the wilderness transforms from a place of fear into a world of opportunity and adventure. You'll move with confidence, knowing you can handle whatever comes your way. Your true survival toolkit isn't just gear, it's the knowledge in your mind, the confidence in your heart, and the adaptability to face the unknown. With these skills, you're prepared for anything nature throws your way: storms, hunger, or the unexpected. The wild becomes your ally, not your enemy. With every challenge, you grow stronger, more capable, and truly at home in nature. You're never alone on a wilderness adventure. Your guides are your lifeline. These experts are seasoned survivalists, medics, and naturalists. Their experience keeps you safe and helps you learn with confidence. Guides do more than teach. They watch the weather, assess risks, and ensure everyone's well-being. They're prepared for emergencies, so you can focus on learning and growing. Great guides are patient teachers, breaking down complex skills into simple steps. They explain the why behind every technique, building true understanding. They foster teamwork, encourage questions, and turn mistakes into learning moments. Trusting your guides lets you step into the unknown with courage. Their calm confidence is contagious. You start to trust yourself too. With the right guidance, the wild becomes a place of respect, not fear. I've seen people arrive nervous and unsure but leave transformed. The wilderness strips away the non-essential, revealing your true self. Like Sarah, who faced her fear of the dark, built her own shelter, and woke up beaming with pride. Or the young man who found direction in life by learning to navigate by the stars. Teamwork forges deep bonds. Strangers become family as they overcome challenges together. I remember a father and son, their relationship strained, who rebuilt trust by working side by side. These stories aren't just about learning skills, they're about discovering inner strength. Every small victory builds self-belief that lasts long after the trip ends. The wild is the perfect arena to face fears and grow. It's not about tying knots, it's about changing perspectives. Each challenge overcome is a step toward a more confident, capable you. The wilderness transforms not just your skills but your spirit. That's the real reward. Survival workshops teach you how to stay alive, but more importantly, how to truly live. Lighting a fire in the rain isn't just about warmth, it's about believing in yourself. These moments of accomplishment rewire your brain for resilience. You connect deeply with nature, seeing the forest as a resource, not a barrier. You notice the details, the moss, the birds, the animal tracks, and feel a sense of belonging. The wild teaches resilience. Things go wrong, but you adapt and overcome. Mental toughness grows as you face adversity with a positive mindset. The journey strips away distractions, leaving clarity and perspective. You learn what you truly need to be happy. Usually it's less than you think. The problems of daily life seem smaller from the mountaintop. You return with skills, but more importantly with a stronger sense of self. The wild gives you a calmer mind and a grateful heart. That's the true value of the experience. Relying on the wild for survival creates a deep sense of responsibility. When you step into the wilderness, you become part of a delicate balance, where every action has a consequence. The wild is not just a backdrop for adventure, it's a living, breathing world that sustains us, challenges us, and teaches us humility. You see firsthand how fragile these places are. A single piece of litter, a careless fire, can cause real harm. The smallest act of neglect can ripple out, affecting plants, animals, and even the water we drink. It's a reminder that our presence always leaves a mark, whether we intend it or not. The core principle is leave no trace. Pack out what you pack in, camp responsibly, respect wildlife, and leave nature as you found it. These aren't just rules, they're a mindset, a way of honoring the land and those who will come after us. Every careful step, every bit of trash removed, is a promise to protect what we love. Our planet's wild places are under threat from deforestation, pollution, and climate change. The forests, rivers, and mountains that once seemed endless are now shrinking, scarred by human activity. If we don't act, these precious places could disappear, taking with them the beauty and resources we depend on. These workshops create not just survivors, but advocates for the wilderness. By learning together, we build a community that values stewardship and understands the importance of passing on these lessons. Every skill learned is a step toward becoming a protector of the wild. When you've built a shelter or filtered water, you appreciate the resources nature provides. You realize how much we rely on clean water, healthy forests, and thriving ecosystems. These experiences foster gratitude and a sense of duty to care for the land. Direct experience is the most powerful catalyst for change. When you witness the beauty and vulnerability of the wild up close, it inspires a desire to protect it. These moments of awe become memories that shape our choices long after we return home. Every participant becomes an ambassador for the wild, sharing their passion and making better choices. By telling our stories and encouraging others, we help build a movement that values conservation and respect for nature. Protecting these places is the ultimate survival mission for us and for future generations. Our actions today determine what kind of world our children will inherit. By restoring habitats and cleaning up our messes, we ensure that the wild remains a sanctuary for all. The wild gives us so much, it's our duty to give back. Whether it's volunteering, educating others, or simply treading lightly, every effort counts. The more we give, the more we receive in return. Peace, adventure, and a sense of belonging. Be a voice for the forests, mountains, and rivers. Speak up for the places that cannot speak for themselves. Inspire others to join you in protecting the wild so that its song can be heard for generations to come. The future of the wild depends on all of us. Together we can ensure that these places endure, untouched, unspoiled, and full of life for everyone who follows in our footsteps. We've talked about the call of the wild, the skills you'll learn, and the transformations you'll experience. Now, it's about you. Is that whisper of adventure getting louder? The wilderness is waiting. Imagine yourself a year from now, more skilled, more confident, more alive. The only thing between who you are and who you could be is a single decision. Say yes to adventure. Step out of your routine and into the wild. You don't need to be a superhero, just bring a willing heart. Our workshops are for people like you. We provide the skills and support, you bring the courage. Every journey starts with a single step. This is your invitation. Don't let life just happen to you, go out and happen to it. The wild is ready for you, are you ready for it? Your greatest adventure is waiting. This isn't just an invitation, it's a challenge to your heart. Find the courage to be uncomfortable. Trade your bed for a shelter of leaves just for one night. Switch off your phone and listen to the forest symphony. True strength is forged in adversity, and the wild provides that test. Reconnect with nature, with others, and with yourself. A survival workshop forces you to be present, to use all your senses, and to work as a team. Once you've experienced the wild, you'll never see it the same way again. Take the respect you gain for nature and carry it into your daily life. Become a champion for our planet. Let your adventure inspire lifelong stewardship. The greatest discovery isn't a rare plant or hidden cave, it's your own potential. Accept the challenge. Step up. The wild is calling. It's time to find out what you're made of. Go on, get out there.